Today we're going to talk about the process of upgrading ACM 6 to Unity Access 7. One thing to note is if you're taking advantage of the 2024 Upgrade Package Initiative, these are the things that are included in that package. They feature your base license, your service plan, and every add-on. That includes all our collaborations and a bunch of great features, all included in that cost. These are what those upgrade license looks like, and they're corresponding to the amount of configured doors you have on the system. Now, if we take a look here at ACM 6.50.6.17, a couple things to note. You'll see all these different licenses that I have in the system right now before we upgrade to Unity Access 7, and just take a look at what we have configured. And you'll notice it looks quite a bit different when we go to 7. Now, there's a couple things you need in order to upgrade from 6 to 7. First of all, you need to be on version 6.50.6.17 or later. You'll need an upgrade plan that corresponds with the number of configured doors for your system. When you purchase the upgrade plan, it'll come with 2 activation IDs, upgrade and a service plan. These 2 files will give you the Unity 7 base license, all add-ons, as well as the ability to receive all future upgrades for 1 year plus additional features associated with the service plan. You must install and activate both prior to the upgrade. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like if you don't apply those licenses before running the upgrade script. While I'm uploading my ACM 7.2 upgrade file, one thing to remember is before any kind of software update, you always want to make sure you have a backup or a snapshot of your system prior to any software updates. This way, should anything go wrong or any mistakes are made, you can always revert back to your backup or your snapshot. And now that I have the file uploaded, I can go ahead and apply it, and you'll notice we will get an error once it does some of its checks. And as you can see right here, it checks for your software version. It says that's okay, it's 6.50, so it'll pass that. And as soon as it looks for the licensing, there's no software plan, there's no base plan. The upgrade will fail. Now we'll show you the correct way to do it. I'll go ahead and apply my service plan license, and I'll apply my upgrade license. And you can just go ahead and click this activate license, or you can do it manually and save the file here. You go to this website, browse to that file, upload it, and it will return back a bin file. And you choose that bin file, and you'll activate your licenses. And now that we have our 2 licenses assigned right at the bottom there, you'll see we have the upgrade plan and our service plan. Both are required for this upgrade, as well as the correct version, which we're at, which is 6.50. We can go ahead and click the apply or that green checkbox here. And now the upgrade will take a couple minutes, and afterwards, and you can watch its progress during it, afterwards it'll reboot your machine. You'll notice here it's already telling us the upgrade version is correct. It's telling us we have the correct licenses. It's updating all the firmware files. And once it gets done, it will go ahead and tell us it's rebooting the machine. Once it reboots, you can go ahead and log in, and you'll see the new interface, and you can check out our YouTube channel for videos on how to navigate the new interface and some of the new features in Unity Access 7. You can go ahead and read through and accept the end user agreement. And the one thing I do want to show you is if you go to your appliance page now and you go to that about screen, you'll see that a lot of these licenses, the old ACM 6 licenses, are now obsolete. So if you want, you can get rid of those. You don't have to, but you can go ahead and go through and just clean up your system and just remove these licenses the same way you did to activate them. You just go in and remove them since they are obsolete. They're not being used by the system anymore. So you can go ahead and remove them just as system maintenance. And like I said, it's the same process as we did before. I'll show you the manual process. Save the file. You'll upload it to this website. You'll just browse to that file that just downloaded, the activation file, and it'll return a bin file back to you. And then you simply upload that to your appliance. And once that's complete, you'll see you have your main licenses, your base license, your upgrade license, and your service plan. And that's all you need at this point. If you notice down below, With our 2024 plan, you see all these different options for partitions and intrusion panels, global actions, virtual stations, replication, auto failover, all of which are included in our 2024 package. That's the step-by-step process on how to upgrade Unity Access 7.